Hi, this is Monica from Knitted Wishes. Today I would like to show you how I work the 1/1 right crossed cable with and without the cable needle. Now, I like to use double pointed needles instead of a cable needle. Slip off the next stitch on your left hand needle purlwise. Place your double pointed needle or your cable needle in the back of your work. Now knit the next stitch on your left hand needle. Slip it off. Now pick up the double pointed needle and knit the one stitch. And here you have the 1/1 right crossed cable. I'll show you how to do this one more time. With your cable needle or double pointed needle, slip the next stitch of your left hand needle purlwise. Place the needle in the back of your work. Knit the next stitch on your left hand needle and slip it off. Now pick up your double pointed needle and knit the one stitch. And now I'm going to show you two other ways to work the right crossed cable, this time without the cable needle. Insert your right hand needle into the second stitch on your left hand needle knitwise. Knit it without slipping the first one off your needle. Now go into the first stitch on your left hand needle knitwise and knit it. And slip both of your needle. One more time. Go into the second stitch knitwise, knit it, go into the first one and knit it, and slip both of your needle. One more time. Now this time I'm going to show you another way to do it. Go first into the second and then the first stitch on your left hand needle. Slip them off. Place them back on the left hand needle. Now both are in a new position. Now knit the first one through the back loop and knit the second one through the back loop. I'll show you one more time. Go into the second stitch knitwise, then the first stitch knitwise, slip both of the needle, and now place them back in the new position. Like this. Now go into the first one through the back and knit it, and go into the second and knit it. And here are a few different ways of working the right crossed cable.